Welcome guys to SKY-CAD Technology. On this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to model these simple 3D blocks. Let's get started. Let's work with the top plane. Corner rectangle. Let's sketch from this edge. Corner rectangle. Let's dimension here 35 by 35. Corner rectangle. by 55. Let's dimension here 20 here 55. Oh, sorry, delete this. Here to here should be 30. Okay, so let's trim out here. Let's add our fillet. Our fillet here, fillet of 10, and here 10. So we are done with our sketch. Let's extrude. Simply close here, go to features, extrude. Reverse direction, I want it downward direction, thickness of 20. Now simply click on this drop down here, click on sketch 1, click on extruded boss base. Now I select on this contour, give it a thickness of 40. Click on it again, the sketch 1, click on extrude, click on this contour, give it a thickness of 30. Now let me fillet this edge, fillet radius of 15. Now I'm done with this part. Now I go to reference geometry. On the drop down, I click on plane. I simply click on this face, distance of 10, flip offset. Okay. Now I sketch on this plane, go to normal line, click from this point to this point, and I bring it down and I close it up. So I have my contour there. I go to features, extrude. Now I want my thickness 10, thickness of 10, reverse direction. So I have this. Let me close up hide my plane. Let me change the appearance. Okay. So we have this, Ctrl 7. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.